This is Jai. In this video, we are going to discuss about how to create a Gantt chart in Tableau. The persons who have no idea about what is a Gantt chart, yeah. So this is the Gantt chart. Simple as that. Look at it here. Gantt chart demands one date and then one or more dimension. It doesn't demand a measure to start with, but ideally, like you can add measure, but ideally it doesn't demand to start with. Simple as that. That's an idea. Let me start creating it for your reference. Order date, because the one date is getting selected. Parallelly, I would go with one dimension. As they mentioned before, I would go with segment. Look at it, the Gantt chart is available now. Cool, then yeah, how do a chart just produces the date and then the dimension? What is going to info? The question comes in. Look at it here. If this is the case, we get this way 16. I would go with month level data and then I would reverse it. Cool, look at it here. Maybe quarter, right? Cool. Month level data. Look at it here. It seems to be not inferring anything to you, but most of the time even the real-time data is not that consistent actually. So this is the order date, right? Cool, then yeah, maybe because of this you might not get the inference of an Gantt chart. I would take this one out. I would take a ship date now. Within ship date I would choose the month of it. Cool, look at it here. Some way like a 1 month comes in here. Only 1 month of 2018 is been getting recorded here. All the other data is basically from 2014 to 2018. Even in 2014, the only 1 month is getting recorded, Jan 2014. It's because the other month is been like not been recorded in 2014 segment. So ideally 2014 will not be working better. So 2015, 16, 17 is the 3 years of data that we have a proper set of it. Cool. So this kind of an idea is been given by Gantt chart. Parallelly, let me go with other example. Like this is one idea. Parallelly, let me go with order date, a segment, and then some numbers. Let's add some measure this time. Profit, and then I was going for a Gantt chart. Oh, cool. Then yeah, look at it here. Maybe I would reverse it. I would add year of date comes in segment. Cool, yeah. Now I would choose label, maybe not working better, detail again not working better. Cool, then yeah. I'm just giving it as a color, but ideally I don't want this one to be happening, so I click a Gantt chart in order to get the size of it. Now look at it here. Home office, it's kind of a bar chart, but it is not a bar. Think of it as 2017, 2027, 2037. This way the order of comes in here, year of order date. But ideally I don't want this one. I want to be precise of maybe not a week level. I would go with the month level data should work exactly. Look at it here. It keeps adding the layers for it. Okay, 2004, 9. It keeps adding layers to us. Simple as that. Now the Gantt chart, let me reduce the values of the Gantt chart. Look at it here. The values, year of date. Rather than year of date, I would go with month, quarter, a month level data. Yeah, this seems to be better, right? On top of it, I would choose a Gantt chart. Look at it here. Again, it produces the same kind of visualization, so that I would add one more layer on top of it. Cool, then yeah. Cool, this might be a right visualization to start with. Look at it here. So each and every time, like month of order it is January, but still it produces the value of home office segment 4606 is what the profit. If I go for the other, the same January corporate, the same January, but ideally it's not going to be the same size now because the size is getting difference now. Look at it here, Jan, Feb, March together it shows to you. It's not about like when you go there, it's not going to give you the inference of only for the first one. If you go for the second one, it do select the second one, and parallelly if I go for the third one, it do selects it. So this is an advantage of it, but when you're having a segments level in bar chart, this is not possible for us. So a different segment level comes in, but still Gantt chart able to identify the hierarchies of it, and then it able to locate the numbers for us. Simple as that. So this is an idea of creating the Gantt chart. Cool, then yeah, so this is one idea of creating a Gantt chart. Give it a try with a Gantt chart. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.